Hi guys, welcome back to Detailing and the Beast. A very quick video today. Potentially the third one of the day. I'll see when these get released and in what order. But we've already done a video today on the unboxing and little bits and pieces, a little update. I've done a video on a quick wash and 3CS and how that's holding up. And I also promised you a little video on these dosing bottles, and this is that video. So the dosing bottles are an equivalent to using the syringes to draw in product out of bottles. These are automatic dosers. So what you do is you fill this side up with all this bottle here with whatever you want. So in here I've got Garage Therapy Zero Decon shampoo, and then what you do is you take the lid off this side to release the air pressure, and you can squeeze this bottle and it'll automatically dose up to a number of millilitres on the side, ready to pour out and dispense into your bucket, into your syringe, into wherever you want to put it really. There are multiple measurements on this thing, so you can go from 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 millilitres. They've got safety caps, so the kids can't get in them. And they're just really neat, really good idea. So I thought I'd do you a quick demo video on one of them. I'll chuck a link to that in the video description below. As always, when I post stuff like this that's relatively new to the scene, if you like, these bottles aren't new, but using them in a detailing sense probably is. This stuff really does sell out quick. It's like the Vicam brushes I posted. It's like the handles for the Titan, some of the other Titan accessories. These things really do sell out quick. So if you want one, go and have a look at the video description below. I'm sure they'll come back in stock at some point, but for now they'll probably sell out really quickly. I bought a couple of them myself for use primarily with the shampoos. So I've got one there for Zero Decon shampoo. I'm using the other one for one car shampoo, and I do have another one on order. I ordered these just to see how they were. And I have got another one on order for my wheel shampoo. Other than that, I can't really see a use for them other than the shampoos that require a relatively accurate measurement in the bucket. But overall, for a few quid, a definite worthwhile investment. You can get rid of your syringes. You don't need them anymore when these will do the exact same thing for you. Anyway, I told you this was going to be a quick video, and it is. Don't forget, link for this thing in the video description below. I'll see you on next week's video.